Hey guys, welcome to another day with me. Again, I'm not sure what day it is, but अभी के लिए I had my lunch at home and I'm heading to the gym now. क्योंकि आज birds को या मेरे घर में कोई cleaner नहीं आने वाला है, so obviously सब मुझे करना पड़ेगा. इसीलिए I'm come to the gym अभी and I had my lunch घर पे. वरना usually मैं lunch भी बाहर करती हूँ. इसके बाद मैं जाऊँगी घर, gonna clean my house, clean the birds, clean सब, and then I'm gonna head out for a walk. फिर जाऊँगी बैडमिंटन. बस यही है आज का रूटीन. तो आई थिंक वापस इट हैज़ टू बी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. आई मीन 2 parts into one video. Yeah, let's go. I'm done with the walk in the gym and now I'm going home. In the gym I did like a leg day and obviously I didn't do much. बस थोड़ा सा with little bit of cardio and leg day भी normal. अभी मैं जाऊँगी बैडमिंटन खेलने वापस. It's going to be leg, इसलिए मैंने बहुत कम ही leg day किया है because from the past 4 days I'm kind of losing the matches, so I need to win. इसीलिए I have like done less in the gym today to see that if that affects my energy in the game. Also I'm wearing like Nike today, not New Balance, because in New Balance my leg twists. I actually need badminton shoes, I think, because I'm regularly playing and it's not good for my leg to like use any other shoes. इसीलिए और अभी के लिए मैं जा रही हूँ घर पे. Buy this because I want to finish like 2 liters of water in a day, so I refill this with like 500 ml from my घर. Hey guys, welcome to part 2 with me. So अभी के लिए मैंने already lunch कर लिया और अभी मैं जा रही हूँ gym. As usual, the same routine, nothing new. But hopefully next week I'm traveling to a place. I'm not going to disclose the place now. जब time आएगा then I'm going to show you guys where I'm actually heading to. So getting sorted with not the visa. It's a visa free destination. Getting sorted with like the packing and stuff, and abhi ke liye going to the gym. Gym mein I'm gonna do upper body and cardio mein treadmill and stairmaster. So the total of this should at least be like around 200 or 250 calories. And फिर रात को badminton. This is my daily routine, which I always say it in every video because I want to say it. And now I am actually very happy because of one thing today. So I had raised a complaint on the government website, TUM, and they did reply to me that they're going to install like the pole, basket, waste bins. And today I got a message that it has been installed. So 4 new waste bins have been installed in my area because of a complaint I raised just 1 week before. So in 1 week the government took the initiative, like the government, Tadweer and TUM raised the concern to the correct department and they took the initiative and they have installed waste bins in my area. And this is just so amazing that how quickly it was done and how they actually did it and how they kept me informed about it, like the whole process and how is it going to be. So in the beginning someone called me and they told me like they are going to escalate this issue further. They're going to come for an inspection and check the area. And then they called me and they told me they checked the area and they saw no waste bins and they are working on fixing a waste bin. And then today I got a WhatsApp message in which they showed me like literally there's no waste bin and they've added one, if you all can see. Then again there's no waste bin here and they've added one again. So like 1 second, yeah, like this. So the thing is that usually in any other country I don't think anything could be this fast, and that's the reason I love UAE. I'm gonna show you guys कहाँ पे new dustbins लगाए हुए हैं. So one is like here, just installed. Then another one is like in the next 50 meters I think, and one is on the other side near the building where I live in. Back home after playing badminton. Such a busy day because I had to take like one of my pets to the hospital again, to the vet, just to show कि if it's improving or not. And अभी तक we don't know कि क्या result है, because I need to just observe over days how is the behavior. That's what the vet told me. अभी के लिए signing off for today. Gonna have my dinner now. It's around 1 a.m. in the morning. I'm having my dinner right now and then sleep by 3 a.m. and I wake up at 11. so 9 hours of sleep. I have my sleep properly, but the schedule is kind of messed up. Gonna fix it soon. And obviously, watching my Pakistani serials right now and having my dinner. And that's an end to my day. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night.